If Broadcom is auditing you, it's not a review, it's a revenue event for them. Let's be blunt, since Broadcom took over VMware, the licensing model changed overnight. Perpetual licenses gone, renewals skyrocketed, and now they're using audits and compliance engagements to squeeze customers into overpriced subscriptions. We've seen it already. Audits tied to renewals, renewals tied to product bundling, and enterprise buyers left scrambling with no time, no leverage, and no clear way out. That's where Redress comes in. We help enterprises shut down inflated audit findings, clarify what's actually licensable, and push back on Broadcom's one-sided terms, all before you're forced into a new contract you can't afford to unwind. We're not resellers. We don't take vendor money. We're on your side, and we've helped clients reduce audit exposure by millions. If Broadcom says you're out of compliance, we validate it. If they want to bundle 10 products you don't use, we break that apart.